Welcome to FaFiFu Home. FaFiFu Home presents
20 inspiring house design ideas that transform your home into a modern dream oasis. Imagine stepping into a home so beautifully designed that every corner feels like a sanctuary, every detail feels intentional, and every space welcomes you with timeless comfort. One modern house inspiration. Modern house inspiration begins with a vision of clean lines, purposeful architecture, and a thoughtful connection between interior comfort and exterior beauty. This concept encourages homeowners to blend function with artistic details that elevate daily living. Two contemporary home ideas. Contemporary home ideas celebrate innovation through simplicity. They emphasize fresh materials, streamlined furnishings, and subtle geometric shapes that create harmony in every corner. These design principles bring timeless sophistication to homes of any size. Three cozy minimalist interiors. Cozy minimalist interiors focus on serenity through intentional space planning. Every item serves a purpose, allowing calmness to flow naturally. Warm textures and soft lighting support tranquility without losing the beauty of modern refinement. Four, tropical modern house style. Tropical modern house style merges open architecture with lush greenery and breezy warmth. Natural airflow, earthy tones, and outdoor flow create a relaxed paradise, making the home feel like a serene island retreat. Five, luxury home exterior design. Luxury home exterior design combines architectural grandeur with premium finishes. From stone textures to large glass panels, every detail enhances visual appeal while reflecting a sophisticated lifestyle rooted in elegance and permanence. Six, open concept living space. An open concept living space fosters connection through uninterrupted visual flow. It enhances natural light, encourages social interaction, and promotes multifunctional living. This approach transforms small or large homes into flexible, airy environments. Seven, natural light home design. Natural light home design prioritizes large windows, reflective surfaces, and bright interiors that uplift the spirit. This approach boosts comfort and improves energy efficiency, creating an invigorating environment for everyday living. 8. Small house, smart layout. A small house smart layout ensures that every square meter is used efficiently. Built-ins, multifunctional furniture, and seamless transitions between zones create an environment that feels spacious, organized, and aesthetically refined. Nine. Innovative facade design. Innovative facade design embraces bold creativity through textures, modern geometry, and dynamic materials. It sets the tone for the entire home, showcasing the homeowner's personality and elevating curb appeal through compelling architectural expression. Ten. Warm neutral color palette. A warm neutral color palette introduces comfort and sophistication. Soft beige, creamy whites, and warm grays create a welcoming ambience while complementing various materials like wood, stone, and textured fabrics. '11. Elegant living room decor. Elegant living room decor embraces refined styling through luxurious textiles, curated accent pieces, and harmonious color coordination. These elements create a polished atmosphere that remains inviting and visually balanced for guests and family. '12. Modern kitchen upgrades. Modern kitchen upgrades focus on functionality paired with sleek design. Smart appliances, streamlined cabinetry, and minimalist fixtures enhance both efficiency and beauty, transforming the kitchen into a stylish culinary centerpiece. '13. Stylish bedroom themes. Stylish bedroom themes emphasize comfort, balance, and personal expression. Through layered textiles, soft lighting, and thoughtful color selection, bedrooms become peaceful sanctuaries that encourage rest and rejuvenation. '14. Sustainable home materials. Sustainable home materials support eco-friendly living with renewable resources like bamboo, recycled wood, and energy-efficient composites. These elements reduce environmental impact while maintaining beautiful and durable design aesthetics. '15. Nature-inspired home accents. Nature-inspired home accents incorporate organic textures, botanical motifs, and earthy materials. These elements bring peace and natural harmony into the home, grounding the space with a sense of calm and timeless beauty. 16 Backyard garden ideas. Backyard garden ideas enhance outdoor living through landscaped greenery, cozy seating, and thoughtful pathways. Whether small or spacious, a well-designed garden transforms the home into a refreshing retreat for relaxation. "17 Modern Rooftop Patio." A modern rooftop patio offers an elevated escape where contemporary furnishings, ambient lighting, and greenery create a serene outdoor oasis. It maximizes vertical space while delivering a luxury lifestyle experience. "18 Indoor-Outdoor Connection." Indoor-outdoor connection design blurs boundaries between interior comfort and exterior freshness. Large sliding doors, open terraces, and natural materials create seamless transitions that enrich daily living experiences. "19 Modern Courtyard Layouts." Modern courtyard layouts bring natural tranquility to central living spaces. With curated plants, reflective water features, and strategic lighting, courtyards enhance both beauty and ventilation, becoming peaceful focal points. "20 Wooden House Design Aesthetic." Wooden house design aesthetic celebrates warmth, texture, and timeless craftsmanship. Natural wood grains create comfort and elegance, enhancing architectural charm while embracing sustainable and organic living principles. "21 Modern Japanese Zen Interior." Modern Japanese Zen interior design highlights balance, simplicity, and harmony. Neutral tones, clean lines, and natural textures create a calming atmosphere inspired by mindfulness and intentional living. "22 Scandinavian Home Style." Scandinavian home style embraces bright spaces, minimal decoration, and functional design. Light wood textures, soft fabrics, and neutral tones shape a warm and inviting environment rooted in simplicity and beauty. "23 Artistic Wall Design Ideas." Artistic wall design ideas transform bland surfaces into expressive statements. Through creative textures, unique patterns, or elegant mural art, walls become meaningful focal points that elevate the entire interior experience. Thank you for exploring these inspiring house design ideas with us. Every detail you've seen today proves that a home becomes extraordinary when thoughtful design meets creativity, intention, and the beauty of natural light. If you enjoyed this journey, make sure to subscribe to Best House Design Ideas for more breathtaking concepts, visionary spaces, and endless inspiration for your dream home.